So back at the Orlando Forum for the Tunnel of the Damned, but this time we have...
Me. I just pop in everywhere.
Yep. So you looking forward to running through this house?
Yeah, I wish we could do the dinner, but you know,
yeah,
money.
Yeah, it'd be awesome. But this is obviously my second time here. First time with the, wow, lighting. With the house complete, so this is gonna be pretty awesome. I'm gonna see if I can shoot a little bit in there. I'm not gonna show you the whole house, but let's go.
I'm ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
Ready. We ready.
All right, spread out, arms up. There you go. You don't have to. Well, you can do it, but you can control your video. Hands behind your back. All right, this is what we call Addy. All right. So we're just going to go to a quick 10-5. We're going to do a couple little post-quarter drills, and then we'll take you in. All right. So 10 hook. Right foot back. Quarter turn to the right. Right face. Yeah, you should be opposite. No, you did it right. All right. Left foot back. Quarter turn to the left. And face.
Sorry,
nice.
I'm running two cameras, so I'm kind of...
All right. Now, reach into the puddle. Wipe it on your face. That's dirty face. Come on, this way. Move it. Double time right here. Stand on the red X. Boom, 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 boom. Quick question. When I say jump, you say?
How high?
Thank you, son. There you go. All right, you're about to be debriefed by my commanding officer. Watch the screen. Everything he says, you pretend it's coming from the burning bush.
Thank you, Sergeant. As many of you are well aware, the island formerly known as New York City went dark with the mass 6 months ago. No bombardment from the air, nor land, nor sea has been successful in penetrating the darkness that now surrounds much of what was once known as the city. Since that time, the powers that be have set up my military perimeter around the whole kit and caboodle, and we have been keeping watch. Be that as it may, and what they won't tell you on the evening news is that 2 weeks ago, a portal opened in what were the westbound lanes of the Lincoln Tunnel. As such, we have dispatched numerous scientific teams, as well as some of my finest men and women, into that god-forsaken vacuum. The powers that be will not let me rest until we crack that sumbitch open and drag New York City back from the brink of hell, for that is where we think it is, hell. I do not know what you will find inside, but whatever it is unnatural. From here, you will proceed to the expanse. You will enter the expanse, and you will not stop moving until you find your way out, thus providing us with useful information on how to navigate. Understood? Good. Keep your mask on if you know what is good for you. Touch nothing. Touch no one. You do not know where they have been. Understood? All right, get a move on through that door.
You heard him, double time, right through the
What's the hold up? Payday ain't till Friday.
You'll live, right left. Move your ass!
Right there you go. Perfect. What the hell you guys doing here? Stay safe. What's up here? Sergeant?
Sarge, yes. We're volunteers, sir.
Halloween. Movies over here. I need people who have training. You guys training? Yeah. Yeah? Alright, come. Beautiful to meet you. Got it? Yes. Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, that one. Go, moving. That got me right there. That was good. Wow.
Oh, you have the right of the side. It's spreading faster than I thought. Let me check.
Oh my gosh. Open the door, man. Hurry up.
Right behind you.
Okay. Oh man, there's one over there. Oh crap, what do we do? Oh, okay. Not good, not good, not good. Oh jeez. He seems hard. Oh jeez. Hey, Bret. I think we made it. All right, so what do you think of your first time through?
I really enjoyed it. 2 thumbs up.
I'm the nicest one. Just so you know.
2 thumbs up. They gave you kind of choices. The acting was on point. The scenery is actually really cool. Very open spaces. I mean, you've been here and everything. So
This is actually my third time going through the house. First time with it completed, and it looked really amazing on the media preview, but it's even better now.
I was just like,
It's like, oh, that monster's fine over there. It's over. It's all the way past that wall. Oh crap, he's getting closer. Oh jeez, close it in. So we went through a second time. My fourth time, your second time.
my second time, yes.
My second time with it finished.
We could probably just kept it going in and in. Back through if we wanted to.
Yeah.
That I think is the good part of it. Like if you have the just regular wristband.
Well, there's two. You can buy a single, or you can buy it all night, rotate, go through again and again and again. I think it's good enough of the house to just go once.
Yeah, I definitely enjoyed my first time better than my second time, because I mean I still got scared with some aspects and parts, like the loud room part of it. It was that still got me, even though I knew it was coming. The second time through, there wasn't as many spots to get scared compared to the first time, but I still really recommend this place. If you have the time, if you are feeling homesick for HHN stuff, this surprisingly the actors are, despite everything that with the restrictions and everything, I still feel like the actors are there. But they're doing it safe enough that they don't have to worry about hiding behind a plexiglass. Even though there is some spots that they kind of do, but it's not like Halloween Horror Nights where it just kind of takes away from the moment.
They're definitely distant enough to be safe, but they you definitely feel their presence, and it's pretty frightening in an awesome way. What you're saying about the two guides.
Yes, I think my favorite aspect about this haunt was there was guides throughout the house that were actors, and it kind of we kind of had like the guides for Scream and Stream, but these people are like kind of not grabbing you by the hand and taking you, because they're not and they can't. But they're still kind of like, come on, follow me, and then they're there, and then they're gone.
Like, go through that door. I'll be right behind you. Go through the door. We're on our own now.
We're on our own again.
Which, it's kind of interesting because like you assume that you're going by yourself, and then like you get like a person, they're like, oh good, we're safe, and you kind of like get complacent, and then they leave, and it just amps it up even more, which is pretty
because
cool.
then you have to make your own decision, and it's like I said earlier, like, oh, do I go down these steps or do I go to the left? Who knows?
And then you see the second person who's like, what are you doing here? Let's get out of here. And they're like, you're following her, and it's just like, I'm gonna hide over here, you're on your own. Like, no!
You're like, you were telling us to go this way.
What are we
were
doing
following
now?
you. Can I hide with you?
There's a space for more than one there.
But yes, I enjoyed the scenery. It really felt like HHN houses. I mean, again, have the same people who work on the HHN houses, but I also think like they have a free reign of doing stuff here compared to Halloween Horror Nights, where that here they're their own thing. They're doing a lot more that they can't do at HHN. I personally think if we had what they're doing in here is what we would have had at HHN if everything would have matched up with guidelines and CDC.
We're still doing a lot better than California.
Yes, I mean,
jeez.
I've been kind of blown away with some of these attractions that this season.
The ones that ran.
The ones that are running without a cause.
Yes.
Not to name any single roads.
No.
Especially
we don't need any roads.
Especially if they're haunted.
Yes.
But Yes, I recommend coming to this attraction.
Unfortunately, it's almost the end of the month, but if I get this posted soon enough and you can make it here, or, you know, I'm assuming that they're going to do this again next year.
I'm hoping they do, because they can, with maybe no guidelines, God knows what we'll be doing next year at this time. Maybe, they'll be easy to do this again. They can easily expand to an extent. I don't know.
I don't know
how much more room.
There's a pretty good sized parking lot out here, so.
Yes.
So who knows? Maybe they can put up a tent next year. But for now, thank you. I said before, thank you once again to the Orlando Forum for having us out again.
Yes.
To see this fully completed, and hopefully we'll be back, or I'll be back with Orlando Dave to show you those shows that do normally, the rock shows and things like that. So
and I possibly will be here too, because why not at this point?
It's not, as long as it's not like, hey, can you come over? Like, no.
We should do a bunch of Christmas things, even though you hate them.
Yeah. So that wraps it up for the Orlando Forum if you're Tunnel of the Damned specifically.
Yes. If you want to do the dark seance,
if you have money.
Very expensive, about like $99 or something.
Yeah.
It's really expensive, but it's a 3-course meal.
It's definitely quality food.
And it's haunted.
And there's that. So, thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit
through the gift shop. And there's a gift shop somewhere right here.
Yes.
In that direction.
It's a haunted gift shop.
Yes.
On the road.